December 24, 2016. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to everyone, and thanks everyone for listening for the last few years. Guys, you're looking at Comet Honda, and notice your timestamp tomorrow's Christmas, go up to the 26th. Now, the closest approach to the sun is December 31st. The comet was expected to brighten to a 7. It is even brighter. It's now to a 6. And on December 31st, it will make its closest approach to the sun as it slingshots around. Now, that is the most stressful time on any comet because it's just the sharpest bend in the curve, and you have all that force. And as the comet's coming in towards the sun, it speeds up very fast, slingshots around, and this one will go back out by Jupiter. We'll see it again possibly in about 5 and 0.25 years. Now, as we approach January 29th up to the 31st, that's going to be when, if we're seeing coronal mass ejections from this comet, they will be directed at our planet. Notice that going into the 31st. Then if you go past that point, February the 11th will be the closest approach to our planet. Now, at that time, it should be highly visible in the northern hemisphere. Also, guys, remember where meteor showers come from? It's the debris trails of comets. So we'll kind of pay attention if we get some bright fireballs during that time. You never know. So we're watching it. Then it's going to pass back out and make its, again, 5.25 year orbit out to Jupiter and back. But if you're looking at the location, the orange dot is the sun. Now, this is kind of hard to see. Then you've got Mercury, Pluto, Venus, all in a line up with Neptune. Now, you see the right in the center, it's depicting the Comet Honda with the white streak. And these are live images as I'm doing the video at 4:30 p.m., 12/24. But here it's giving you the magnitude. Remember, it was going to get down to around a 7.2. The lower the number, the brighter the object. So 6.8, and it is getting closer. Now, your speed and all is just about the same. It's moving very fast. Perihelion date, which is closest approach on the 31st. That'd be our closest approach to the sun. Again, that is the critical time, guys, for when a comet gets its closest approach and it slingshots around the sun. It's under the most pressure. You call it G-force, centrifugal force, whatever. But we saw I-Sun disintegrate from that very pressure. These are images, guys, coming in the last couple of days from ground-based telescopes. The tail is getting very long on this thing. Check it out. But guys, we're watching this. I'm in Arizona visiting my son and grandson for Christmas before he is deployed to Kuwait in a few weeks. He's in the Air Force over here. But we're keeping an eye on things as we look at these different images, guys. Don't forget, Mike from around the world said on the 26th, we could start feeling the pressure of an even more powerful wave of energy. Now, whether it's coming from gamma ray burst, some other extra solar system event, we don't know yet, but we're watching it. We'll update. I'm settled down now. I can keep some updates going, guys. It's a heads up. Be safe.